Hello guys, welcome to Tarkashastra. I am Aditya, alumni of Sydenham Institute of Management, Mumbai. In this video, we have tried to answer the question, very frequent question which is asked nowadays is how to prepare for CAT 2020 in the situation of pandemic, in the situation of lockdown and starting from the month of May. So let us see what all we are going to look at in this video. So first of all, what are we targeting? We are targeting, what are you targeting? As a student, you are targeting to secure the admission for one of these courses, PGTM, MBA or MMS. These are nothing but the nomenclatures are given by different colleges or different universities. Correct. So in this video, we have tried to cover up the list of entrance exams, the syllabus for the entrance exams, study material, and how you should manage your time starting from the month of May. Okay, so let us start with the list of entrance exams. Starting with CAT, which is the most important exam and umbrella exam for all the MBA entrance for all the MBA colleges. Correct. So almost every college accepts the score of CAT exam and which is conducted in the month of November on last Sunday. Then comes NMAT, which is conducted over a duration of 3 months, October to December, and candidate get to choose the date over here. Okay, so there are 3 attempts in this exam. There are 3 attempts, and best of the 3 scores will be considered for the admission. Okay, then comes IFT, which is conducted on first Sunday of November. Okay, so all these exams are listed in the chronological order. Okay, if you have observed it clearly. So after IFT comes SNAP on third Sunday of December. Then comes IBSAT, which is conducted by ICFA Business School in fourth week of December. Then comes ZAT on first Sunday of January. So this exam will be conducted in the month of in the year 2021. Correct. Then comes TISNET, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, which is one of the best institutes for HR programs. Okay. This is conducted in first week of January. Then comes CMAT, conducted by AICTE on fourth Sunday of January. And then comes MAH MBA CET, that is Maharashtra MBA CET for all the colleges affiliated to DTE Maharashtra. Okay. This exam is conducted in 4 slots over a weekend. 2 slots on Saturday, 2 slots on Sunday, second weekend of March. Other than all these important exams, there are these few exams, MAT, ATMA and IRMA, which are also considered by a lot of management graduates, a lot of management MBA aspiring students. Okay, so it is not compulsory or it is not necessary that you should appear for all these exams. Okay, but you should be aware of all these exams कि कौन सा कॉलेज कौन से एग्जाम का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करता है एंड कौन सा कॉलेज नेशनल लेवल है, कौन सा कॉलेज स्टेट लेवल है, कौन सा एग्जाम स्टेट लेवल है, कौन सा एग्जाम नेशनल लेवल है. ठीक है. So we are also going to post a separate series of videos on each and every exam. Okay, for that, to stay updated about all the exams, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, since we have already seen the list of entrance exams, now we should move forward to the syllabus. So guys, please note the most important point for all the management entrance exams is minimum 70 to 75% of syllabus for all the MBA entrance exams जो हमने previously देखे is common. ठीक है, जैसे if I am talking about vocabulary or grammar in verbal ability section or time and work, time with distance or geometry in QA section. ठीक है, or arrangements, data interpretation type of questions in LRTI section. So there are these are the particular topics on which questions will be asked in each and every exam. Okay, so we are going to look at the common syllabus. So QA is basically divided into 4 major sections: arithmetic, numbers, modern math, algebra and geometry. Okay, the detailed list of topics is provided on our website, the link for which is given below in the description box. Okay, other than QA, the major sections are verbal ability, logical reasoning and data interpretation, whereas verbal ability is further divided into reading comprehension, grammar and vocabulary as 3 major sections. Logical reasoning can also be divided into 3 major sections as puzzles, conventional LR and non-verbal reasoning, and data interpretation is also divided into 3 major sections like graphs and charts, caselets and questions on tables or information based questions. Correct. Now the detailed list of topics, again I am repeating, detailed list of topics is given on our website, the link for which is given in the description box below. Okay. Now, after looking at the list of entrance exams, which one need to take for admission into MBA program, and the syllabus which one need to prepare for, we will look at the study material. Correct. अभी इसके बाद क्या करोगे आप? You will obviously collect the study material or join any classes. Okay. So before starting the preparation, one should make a decision first of all whether he or she wants to self-study for the exam or join any online or classroom program. Correct. This is very important to learn the concept. You can either go with the self-study module or join any online or a classroom program. Okay. So how you should go ahead with the preparation is, first of all, you need to learn the concept. Let us take an example of lines and angles, which is a topic of geometry. Okay, so you have learned the concept of lines and angles. Okay, you have learned all the concepts, all the theories, all the axioms in that chapter. Now you will practice the questions. Correct. So we have already seen the list of exams. So it is not necessary that all the exams are of same difficulty level. Correct. CAT is considered to be the most difficult exam. I'll not say it is the most difficult exam. It is the most logical and कंसेप्ट बेस्ड एग्जाम. ठीक है, उसके वो एग्जाम्स का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए आपके कंसेप्ट्स थोरोली क्लियर होने चाहिए. करेक्ट. वेयर एज मैट, एटमा, सी मैट आर नॉट, do not ask you questions in that much detail, in that much depth. Correct. Plus CET, SNAP are the speed based exams. Okay, so obviously the difficulty level of questions varies in each and every exam. Correct. So that's why what we recommend from Tarkashastra is you must have minimum 200 questions on each and every topic. Okay, ranging from various difficulty levels, easy, moderate and difficult. Okay, so that you get enough exposure on all the difficulty levels of question. Okay, so after learning the concept, you will practice enough questions of various difficulty levels. After practicing the questions, you will check your learning by taking a topic wise test. Okay, so from Tarkashastra, we provide a mobile app in which we have provided topic wise test with the timer for each and every smallest topic. Okay. So after checking the topic wise test and repeating this pattern for almost a week, what is expected from you is take the mock test and analyze the same on every weekend. Okay. So starting from second weekend of March or second or third week of March, you are left with around 190 to 200 days for CAT, considering it will be conducted on last Sunday of November. Correct. So we recommend you to take at least one mock test of any exam. Let it be CAT, let it be SNAP, let it be CMAT, let it be CET, let it be ZAT, IFT, कोई भी. ठीक है, लेकिन एक mock test आपको every Saturday या every Sunday देना पड़ेगा. Then only you will get the progressive graph. Correct. Now we have collected the study material. Okay, so we have seen what is the basic requirement to go ahead with the study material. Correct. So study material must consist of practice questions, the theory. Let us say chronologically, study material must consist of the theory, then practice questions, then topic wise tests. Correct, on each and every topic, then sectional tests on each and every section like arithmetic, geometry, algebra and so on. Then subject wise test like separate test for QA, separate test for LR and separate test of PI and VA. Okay, and then mock test. So there must be enough number of mock tests for each and every exam. Okay, the detailed product of Tarkashastra is provided on the website, the link for which is also given in the description box. Now let us look at the most important concept, that is time management. So how many topics we have to prepare? So we are talking about only CAT exam over here. Okay, so for CAT exam, CAT, SNAP and CET exams we are talking about. So these exams you have to prepare minimum 30 to 35 topics for QA, 10 to 12 topics for grammar in verbal ability, reading comprehension and vocabulary. Similarly, 20 to 25 topics for logical reasoning and 15 to 25 topics for DI and DS combined. Okay, that means these are the list of topics. These are the number of topics. So starting from today, how many days are left for CAT? There are around 200 days left for CAT, reducing 60 days for your exams or festivals or any other family functions or any other personal reasons. Okay, so you are left with maximum 140 days. Correct, you are left with maximum 140 days to prepare 65 to 70 topics for CAT level exam. Okay, that means you are left with hardly 2 days per topic. Correct. Now that depends on the individual कि आप लोग कितना efforts per day put करते हो. I would recommend minimum 3 to 4 hours per day is must for an average student. ठीक है. Now let us see how you should start with your preparation. So we always recommend that one must start with the basic mock CAT one. Okay, there are a lot of free mock tests available online. You can go with any of them. ठीक है. और अदरवाइज अगर आपने कोई कोचिंग ऑनलाइन कोचिंग या क्लासरूम कोचिंग ज्वाइन किया है, so they will definitely provide you the test series, so you can take the first mock test. Take it as a benchmark and the score will be the benchmark score. ठीक है. Out of 300 there is a high probability that you will score in 2 digits. ठीक है. You might even score less than 50 marks. It is fine, don't panic. What I said, that is just a benchmark score. ठीक है. इससे आपको क्या पता चलेगा, इसका ये टेस्ट जब आप एनालाइज करोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि which is your weaker section, which is your stronger section, and how you need to plan your preparation to aim for IIM. Correct? Because IIMs will give you a call only if you score more than 90 percentile or 95 percentile based on their requirement, and if you clear the sectional cutoffs. करेक्ट. सो इसमें हम लोग ऐसा बोल के नहीं चल सकते कि आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग इन क्यूए सो आई विल डेफिनेटली स्कोर मोर देन 95 परसेंटाइल इन क्यूए एंड टू कवर फॉर वीए और एलआरडीआई सेक्शन. नहीं, you have to clear the sectional cutoff for all 3 sections individually, and overall as well you have to score more than the required percentile. ठीक है. So after taking this benchmark score, you can prepare a preparation strategy for your own. Correct. So let us look at the preparation strategy subject wise. PARC, QA and LRDI. So apart from QA and LRDI, verbal ability is the section which one needs to prepare on daily basis. ठीक है. डेली बेसिस मतलब क्या करना है, इसमें आपको डेली बेसिस पे कोई ना कोई टॉपिक नहीं पढ़ते रहना है. इसमें आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू रीड द न्यूज़पेपर आर्टिकल्स. ठीक है. Read the good articles on daily basis, at least 3 or 4 articles per day. ठीक है. इससे क्या होगा, you will build a very strong vocabulary day by day. Initially you will collect at least 10 to 15 new words per day. After a month or 6 weeks around, the collection of new words will reduce to around 6 to 8 words per day. Correct. But over a period of more than 150 to 200 days, you will definitely collect a vocabulary of more than 2000 words, which is more than enough. ठीक है. Plus you have to dedicate 1 day in week for VRC. What will you do in this week, on this day? Apart from these activities, apart from reading the articles or read the book and collecting the vocabulary, you have to prepare one topic. Let it be of grammar, let it be of sentence construction, or let it be of parajumble, any part. Let it be of RC, even that is fine. ठीक है. So you have to prepare one topic for VA and take the topic wise test. ठीक है. So that on weekly basis you are preparing at least one VA topic, and on daily basis you are improving your English. Correct, by reading and collecting the vocabulary. ठीक है. Now let us move forward to QA. इसमें आपको क्या करना है, you have to dedicate 2 days per week to prepare 2 topics per week of QA. Correct. 2 टॉपिक पर वीक अगर आप प्रिपेयर करोगे तो इसमें कैसे करना है, नॉट ओनली लर्न द कंसेप्ट्स, practice enough number of questions, at least 50 to 100 questions each topic, and then only go for the topic wise test. Correct. In this manner you will complete 2 topics of QA, and in the similar manner you will complete 1 topic of LR and 1 topic of DI each. Correct. So starting from Monday to Friday, if you plan your week accordingly, you will prepare 5 topics, 1 2 3 4 5 topics of all 3 chapters in a week. Correct. Now let us see how you should plan your week. You must prepare 5 concepts per week with enough questions, enough practice of enough questions of various difficulty levels, and you must have taken all the topic wise tests. करेक्ट, इससे भी आपका टाइमर के साथ प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दैट यू डोंट पैनिक इन द एक्चुअल एग्जाम because you will be habitual of solving the questions with timer on. ठीक है, and once you are done with this activity from Monday to Friday, over the weekend, which I am repeating this thing again, you have to take one mock test and analyze. ठीक है, I am not specifying this mock test. We will start a separate video series on fortnightly basis to give you the planning of next 40 days to prepare and take the mock test as well. Okay, that series of videos will include all the topics which you should prepare in next 14 days and which mock test you should take in next 2 weekends. Okay, so you can start with the mockcat 1. So why we say always that analysis of mock test is very important? Because you will keep a note of, or you will keep a check on your strengths and weaknesses. Correct. Let us take an example of a student who is very weak in geometry. Correct. Before starting the preparation. So after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, he dedicatedly prepared the concepts of geometry, and over 2 or 3 weekends, he have also taken multiple mock tests. Correct. So geometry was in his weaker section. Correct. So gradually he or she will notice that geometry, at least some concepts of geometry, that is lines, angles, triangles, then quadrilaterals, will start to move into his strengths. Correct. Strength matlab kya hai? You are able to solve more than 80% of the questions in that topic, then that topic is considered as your strength. Okay. Plus, what is the benefit of analyzing the mock? Every mock test is provided with the solution. Okay, I'm talking about Tarkashastra platform. So on Tarkashastra platform, we have provided each and every mock test with the best solutions and best shortcuts. Okay, so there is a high probability that आपने जो कितना भी अच्छा एक topic prepare किया हो, but you have solved that question in a longest possible way, wasting 30, 40 or more than 60 precious seconds of your exam time. Correct. So while going through the analysis and while checking for all the solutions, you'll learn better shortcuts and better solutions for solving the questions again. Correct. And you have to keep a note of all these analyses and plan accordingly. Correct. What will be the benefit of this? Suppose in first mock you have scored these many percentile, 20 percentile, 30 percentile and 40 percentile in the respective sections. Correct. So in second mock you will see the gradual increase. Correct. You might see an occasional dip in particular section. Correct. But after few weeks, after 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, you will see the overall increase in your scores. Correct. So you had started with 20, 30 and 40 percentile, and after 5 to 6 weeks you have moved on to 45, 50 and 60 percentile. Correct. So if you continue your preparation dedicatedly with the same zeal and same enthusiasm throughout these 200 or more 300 days, correct, then only there is a high possibility that you will score more than the required percentile and you will get into your dream B school. Okay. So if you have any difficulty, you can contact us on the given numbers. As I have said, we are going to start a new series of videos on exams as well as on fortnightly weekly planning for the preparation. So to stay updated, you can subscribe us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and for more details, you can visit our website www.tarkashastra.co.in. Okay. If you have any query regarding preparations, regarding any exam, regarding any college placement, anything else, you can contact us on any of these 2 numbers. Okay guys, stay tuned. Best of luck.